We're at the dock on the boat right now this morning, trying to get everything all squared away. Andy's about to gas up, put some fresh gas in the boat.
Gotta have fresh gas.
Fresh gas. And yeah, we're gonna keep things really simple today. It's finally sunny again. It's absolutely gorgeous this morning. But today's gonna be a day full of fishing, so stay tuned. It's gonna be chilly this morning. The sun is out! Woo!
Without my love for the ocean, I would be long gone by now. It's some kind of devotion that brings me down.
We're seeing some massive blow-ups on a bait ball. Could be bluefish, or it could be maybe some drum, I don't know, but we're gonna try to go chase them down real quick. It's gonna be a little tricky not to spook them, but we've got, we're gonna have a GoPro rolling, so hopefully, oh, they're jumping out of the water.
That's rolling.
There they are. Oh my gosh! Immediately! My first topwater bite of the year, baby! Woo! Oh my gosh! No! Oh no, he came off! Gah! Oh! Oh, it broke me off!
Oh, it's a huge blue.
Does it still have it in his mouth? Oh no! Yep. Ah, probably broke me. Oh, nope. There he is. Right here at the boat. Come on, eat it. Ah, broke me off. I mean, what the heck? We obviously don't have the right gear.
There's another topwater in there.
You guys, this is absolute chaos. This is definitely not what we thought was gonna happen as soon as we came out here. We weren't prepared for an absolute bluefish blitz. And there is this popper.
Give me that. All right, now get us somewhere where we can. That's so rare for that thing to break you off.
It broke through 3 of our lines off. We had 30-pound braid on there. There he is. Oh, come on. Oh, he's gonna break me off the freaking.
No, he's not.
Oh, no. No. Second run, baby. Oh my gosh, that's a nice blue. Oh, come on. I know my mom wants some fish cakes. Come to mama. Ooh. There. I'm bringing him to you. Woo! Yes!
All right, let's get him out of there so you can cast again.
Whew, I don't care how many cups of coffee you have in the morning, you cannot beat waking up to that. That is a fat bluefish. Oh my gosh. Yes. That is a fat bluefish. Yes. Where did they go? All right, you guys, we think that school kind of moved on. That was so much fun. Now we just have to re-rig pretty much everything that we had out here because we broke off, what, 3 different things? My mom's gonna be so happy. You guys, my mom could not believe that we threw back. And I think it was a few videos ago, Andy caught that massive bluefish. We're actually headed home to visit in a couple days, and we're gonna take that home too, so she can make up some bluefish cakes for you guys, so stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna show them your popping cork.
Check this out, that bluefish broke me off and then came back and almost cut my popping cork in half. Savage, savage animal there.
All right guys, we're dropping the power pole. Hopefully we're gonna stick in some sand here.
Oh, it's stuck.
Station. Oh, there's an osprey. That's a good sign. Whoa. Oh my gosh.
That'll get you woken up.
8 in the morning, and we've already got a big old bluefish in the box, and adrenaline just coursing through the veins. You. Oh, let's see what else can happen. The morning is still young.
Yes, this osprey is just. All right, y'all, I think this is kind of funny. I've got a glow-in-the-dark minnows here, little paddle tail. We're kind of running out of paddle tails, running out of bait, thanks to the bluefish. So
yeah, thanks, bluefish. Ooh.
I got a flound daddy.
You got a flounder?
Yep.
Flounder.
Flounder, flounder. Woo! Oh!
Oh, quick release.
The old glow-in-the-dark special. He's too small anyways, but I'll show you the white side. Whoop. I just snagged a pinfish.
Seriously?
Woo!
I say we don't waste too much time here though,
I agree.
and head to see if the big boys are in the creek.
Maybe like 5 more minutes.
Yeah. So you guys, fun fact about Andy. This is a weird one. Every morning, almost every morning, he wakes up and, oh, first thing he does is sing some random, like super random song lyric. And this morning it was, "Ain't no love in Oklahoma." Like when the whiskey goes down or whatever. One cast into the date. All right, you guys. We wanted to come and check this little spot. I'm glad we did, or else we wouldn't have seen that big school of bluefish. But while the morning is still young, we're gonna head into some creeks and do a little popping cork fishing. So stay tuned. It's about to get spicy. What'd you bring for breakfast?
Go, boys.
It was a little windy, but nice and short ride. As you guys can see, here is the juice right here, hopefully. I don't want to jinx it, but it looks mighty juicy. Look at all that grass right along this little point. We got both sides to explore here. Lots of bait. Ooh, gonna be popping it around. Popping cork central. You got one?
I got a big one. Gotta get him away from that pole.
Here, switch sides with me. I'm gonna try to hit this.
Go to that pole.
Oh! Yes! Double header, baby! Double header! Woo! Dang, babe, that's a nice one.
Woo. Yeah, baby.
Oh. Yoo. Yours could eat mine. Choked it. Oh, look at that.
Look at that, you guys. Woo.
It inhaled yours too?
Yeah.
Woo. All right, y'all, mine's too small. He's going back, but mwah, lucky kiss.
Oh, yeah. All right, you guys, one for the box. Get a quick measurement on this guy.
We are in the meat this morning,
that
babe.
one's almost, it's 23 and a half, almost 24.
Woo!
While Heidi's up there fishing, I'm going to bleed this bluefish. It is not doing well. It's actually just died in the live well for some reason. So I'm gonna cut it at the tail here and cut it by the throat and get some of that blood out, and it'll make it less fishy when you go to eat it.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Go. They're little red. Got so many spots. So pretty. All right, guys, so we were catching a lot of smaller drum, little rat reds in that creek, and Andy caught that really nice keeper drum. So far in the live well, we've got that beautiful bluefish and that beautiful drum. Two delicious eating fish. Whoa.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, fish just jumped. Pretty good size one. What gets me is every time we fish this point from land, we're casting like right where the boat is.
Oh, it's a huge shark.
Right where the boat is. Oh, it's a huge shark.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
You see the fin on that thing?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, my heart is pounding so fast, you guys. A shark fin, like literally 2 feet high, at least 2 feet high, came up right in front of us right here.
That was a shark fin.
That was it. Why did it just come up like that? That was so creepy.
I was trying to catch one.
Oh my God. And it was swimming this way away from the shore, you guys. It was swimming from the point straight in front of the boat. Oh my gosh, what the heck? And there are people tubing on a boat, literally just a few hundred yards that way. Oh, how big do you think that shark was?
Probably 8, 9 feet.
Definitely do not want to go swimming right now. I'm thinking that thing was more like, oh, I think I got one too.
Found the hole.
Ooh,
Dang.
that's a huge one.
If it opens, we're gonna freaking load up on these things. We are.
Yeah.
Please look into it.
Ah, stop it.
We gotta bring that shark back over.
I don't want that shark to be anywhere near me. Floundy. 11 o'clock. Whoa, just don't fall in with the shark. All right, you guys, we got our catches of the day here. Woo. Beauties. Woohoo!
Kissing bandits.
I mean, these are two absolutely beautiful fish. The only thing my mom might be a little, well, they're still, she likes to get the cheek meat on there, and that topwater lure took a little chunk of cheek, but don't forget to eat your cheek meat. Got bluefish cakes and some delicious drum bites, y'all. Awesome morning. All right, you guys, we just got back from the store. We got some ice, and we're gonna get these fish in the cooler. Still in the live well here. But Andy's beautiful drum there. Woo-hoo! Alright. Put him in there.
In the box.
In the box, baby. Mr. Blue. Mr. Bluefish here lost his tail, but he's been bleeding out, so the meat will be a lot less fishy and delicious when my mama cooks up those bluefish cakes here, which you guys stay tuned for that video. That will be a separate video, and we'll definitely make sure to tag it as bluefish cakes. Meat, baby. Woo-hoo. Well, we've got our fish on ice, fish in the cooler. We got some meat, baby.
We do have some meat. Finally,
Delicious.
We got some for the freezer.
And for the family. So we're gonna be headed home to Virginia just for a couple days because the fishing is so good right now.
It is. It's epic.
Yeah, but we're gonna be back to fishing very soon. So stay tuned for some farm videos coming your way, and some recipes of cooking up these fish. Hopefully we can convince my mom to do her bluefish cakes because they're delicious, and I would love to share that recipe with y'all. So stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thank y'all for watching.
See ya.